What's going on, guys? My name is BC Hoffman, Chef BC from DC Catering, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Virgin Margarita taste real. That's right. I know it sounds crazy, but if you do the right combination of citrus involved with a little bit of bitters, involved with just a good shake, you'll have all of them fooled. All you're going to do is you're going to start off with 2 ounces of lime juice. Throw that right in your tin. Bam! ½ ounce of lemon juice, 3/4 ounces of grapefruit juice, ½ ounce of apricot nectar. I've got a little plum juice that is fermented. It's great for antioxidants as well. We're gonna add in ½ ounce of that. Ice, throw in a tin, give it a shake. Shake it up, baby! Shake and drink. Pop it right into your glass and finish off with a little smoked salt. Garnish with a plum. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Salud.